Introducing our premium plastic pallet boxes, the solution to your material handling needs. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, our plastic pallet boxes are designed to withstand the rigors of industrial use. The robust construction ensures longevity, while the stackable design optimizes storage space, making your operations more efficient. Explore additional features such as convenient drop doors for easy access, integrated label holders for efficient inventory management, and customizable printing options, allowing you to tailor your plastic pallet boxes to meet specific industry requirements. Our plastic pallet boxes comply with international standards, ensuring the secure handling of your goods. Whether you're in manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, or any industry requiring reliable storage and transportation, our plastic pallet boxes deliver unmatched performance.